G35 from 2001, I think, to all the way to 2006 will have this problem. You see here the dash, you see my tank is full, and you see my temperature is also full, and when I turn signal, nothing happens. On the other side it happens. So when I hit here, yeah, see the brake pops up, and sometimes it doesn't. So anyways, I got a new cluster, which is right here. It's around 100 some bucks, and we're gonna replace it. I'm gonna put this one instead of that. So first you're gonna loosen this screw bolt here and a couple under the steering wheel, and one more on this side. Before anything started, unplug the negative of the battery, which is right under here, passenger side. You can clean up here and you see negative. So we're gonna get a 10mm and loosen that. Loosen, remove, and you're good to go. So now you should be able to get this out here. There you go. Just don't break the tabs. There you go. See the tabs like this. We have to pull this tightly. Yeah, there you go. You don't need to pull all the way down. This can hang like this. Now we have those 10mm here, 3 of them. Pop the bezel from the starter key, and then remove carefully this top part. Just wiggle. There you go. This has a wire in there, so I'm gonna let it hanging. Right, so we're gonna go under like this, okay? If you get in there, you see on the passenger side here, there's a bolt in there, and we are right here close to the end. So that bolt right there, and then if you follow down, there's no other one here, and on the other side you have that one, and follow the same bracket, you have another one on the back. So they're all 10mm. Good to have a extension, and I'll take them out of there. Alright, let's slide this guy down. There's a tab on the top and a tab on the bottom. You pull those two, pull this sucker out, and on this side it's the same thing. This here has a cable though, so I'm gonna do the same thing. Pull it out. Disconnected that too. There's one more thing I can do. There's 2 bolts down here that are for 12mm, and they are those big ones right here. See, one here and one on the other side, same line. If I take this down, this whole column is gonna come down. I'm gonna do it. Okay, just be sure to be holding everything, and that's it. Now it's out. And this is how it looks like. So sorry if it's shaky, it is very hard. And one more here. And the last connector we need to worry about is one around here. And there you go. So for now, I'm gonna remove what I need to remove from here and take this dash out. So I'm gonna get all those bolts on the back. There's one here that it's missing, one here. And now we're gonna do everything the reverse order. Connect everything on the back. 2. And I'm also gonna make my life easier and connect this back one. Push the steering wheel up and put one of those big bolts up there. I'm gonna put on the other side now. Before I put the bar back in there, it's time of the truth, so I don't forget. Ooh, it's much brighter. Let's see, turn signal. Oh yeah, oh yeah, look at that. I can see how much gas I have in the car. Oh man, I'm so happy. Temperature, I couldn't see temperature, I couldn't see anything. I'm in love with it. To be very honest with you, there's a thing here on this dash that I've never seen. Never seen that. I never seen that we were pointing anywhere. That thing wasn't working either. Might be connected in here also. So I hope this helps you. I bought this car. I didn't actually buy this car. I had a G37 that I loved. Sold it to buy a Toyota Supra. And on the trade, or on my sale, I end up getting this on the trade, and I had a lot of little problems. I'm fixing one by one, little by little, and this was bothering me from the beginning. It's been over a year, so hope this helps you. So there are more videos coming. I'm going to do a little more work on this car. One of them is going to paint this grille. I'm going to wrap the roof and the trunk because it doesn't look very good, and I also debadged it. So watch out for videos on the G35. This works for G35, G37, and I think 350Z could be the same, but I'm not positive. The interior could be a little different. Thanks for watching. Later.
Look past my face. See status. I'm eating some McDonald's.